how to share Notion pages with others. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Notion pages with others effortlessly. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the Notion website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click the login button in the top right corner. For a quick and smooth login, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page you want to share. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a Share button. Click that. This opens up a bunch of options for sharing your page and setting permissions. Now, to share the page with others, toggle on the setting that allows sharing via link. Then click Copy Link that copies the page URL to your clipboard. You can now paste and send this link to anyone via email, messaging apps, Slack, wherever. Once they open the link, they'll be taken directly to your Notion page. But here's something important. Check the permissions before you send the link. You can control whether people can just view the page, comment on it, or edit it. Make sure to set this based on how much control you want others to have. And that's it. You just shared a Notion page like a pro. It's quick, easy, and super helpful for keeping everyone aligned and in the loop. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, leave a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one.